Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can only concatenate list, not str, to list. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a string to a list using the plus operator. The plus operator in Python is used to concatenate two strings or two lists. However, it cannot concatenate a string to a list because they are different data types. Here's an example of code that might cause this error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. To fix this error, you can convert the string to a list first, and then concatenate the two lists together. Here's an updated example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, the string pair is enclosed in square brackets to create a one-element list. This list is then concatenated with the original list using the plus operator, creating a new list that contains all 4 elements. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.